Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest health tips and tricks. Today, we're diving deep into a silent killer lurking in our everyday foods: trans fats. Buckle up, because this information could literally save your life. But before we start, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us reach more people with this crucial information. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? And one major contributor to this deadly statistic is something many of us consume daily without even realizing it. That's right, we're talking about trans fats. Here's a shocking fact. Consuming just 2% of your daily calories from trans fats can increase your risk of heart disease by a whopping 23%. Let that sink in for a moment. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are trans fats? Well, imagine taking a perfectly healthy liquid vegetable oil and pumping it full of hydrogen. That's essentially what trans fats are: artificial fats created through an industrial process to make liquid oils more solid. Sounds appetizing, right? Not. These sneaky little devils are hiding in plain sight. They're in your favorite margarine, those irresistible snack foods, that convenient packaged baked goods, and yes, even in those delicious fried foods you can't resist. Food manufacturers love them because they increase shelf life and improve texture. But at what cost to our health? Let's break down what happens in your body when you consume trans fats. Picture your arteries as smooth highways, allowing blood to flow freely. Now imagine dumping buckets of sticky goo onto those highways. That's essentially what trans fats do. They increase your levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, while simultaneously decreasing your HDL, the good cholesterol. This imbalance leads to a buildup of plaque in your arteries, causing inflammation, the key factor in the development of atherosclerosis. But wait, there's more. Trans fats don't stop at clogging your arteries. They're overachievers in the worst way possible. These fats can also contribute to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. And guess what? Insulin resistance itself is a risk factor for cardiovascular disease. It's like a domino effect of health disasters. Now let's talk about the endothelium, the inner lining of your arteries. Trans fats damage this delicate layer, making it easier for plaque to form and reducing its ability to regulate blood flow and blood pressure. It's like scratching the protective coating off a non-stick pan. Suddenly, everything starts sticking. By the way, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. You could be helping someone take the first step towards a healthier heart. But heart disease isn't the only risk. Trans fats have also been linked to an increased risk of stroke, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and even liver dysfunction. It's like they're on a mission to wreak havoc on every part of your body. So, how can you protect yourself from these health-wrecking fats? First and foremost, become a label detective. Look for partially hydrogenated oils in the ingredient list. Even if the label says 0 grams of trans fat, it could still contain up to 0.5 grams per serving. Sneaky, right? Instead, opt for healthier fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. You can find these in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fish. These good fats can actually help improve your cholesterol levels, raising your good cholesterol and lowering the bad. Here's a pro tip. Start cooking more at home. This way, you have complete control over the ingredients and can avoid those sneaky trans fats. Use healthier oils like olive oil or avocado oil instead of margarine or shortening. When dining out, be cautious of fried foods and baked goods. These are often high in trans fats. Don't be shy. Ask the restaurant about the oils they use. Your health is worth it. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding what trans fats are and how they affect our bodies, we can make better choices for our heart health. Take a moment today to check the labels on the foods in your pantry. Make a commitment to reduce or eliminate those trans fats from your diet. Your heart will thank you. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Trans fats are artificial fats that increase bad cholesterol, decrease good cholesterol, contribute to heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and more. They're often found in processed and fried foods. To avoid them, read labels carefully, cook at home more, and choose healthier fats. That's all for today, folks. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Leave your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on trans fats and any questions you might have. Until next time, stay healthy and make informed choices. Your future self will thank you.